Hey guys, welcome back to hashtag A to Z with Varsha, and today we are going to learn 10 different ways to style letter T. I will start with the basic formation of lowercase t. First I will draw an entrance stroke, then ascending loop, and then exit stroke. Here I am drawing a horizontal line, so I will use the thin stroke. Now for the uppercase T, first a downstroke. Now you can add a straight horizontal line or you can make a curve like this. So we are done with the basic formation. Now moving to the lowercase flourishing. So for the first one I will use the downstroke. I will not use the ascending loop and entrance stroke. Now I will do the flourishing here. For this one also I will not use ascending loop. It's your choice. Now first a down, so thick, then going up using thin stroke, then again I'm moving up, so thin stroke, and now I'm moving down, so I'm applying pressure. So it's done. Moving to the next one, entrance stroke, then a down stroke and exit stroke, and here we will do flourishing at the bottom like this. First the basic T, and now we will do the flourishing. Now moving to the uppercase flourishing. For that I will use pencil, but for my first one I will start directly with the brush pen. So let's start. First a downstroke, and then here I will add flourishing. And it's not done yet. Yeah, so it's complete. Now for the second one I will use pencil because I have few oval shapes here. So to get the proper oval I will use pencil. Making little correction here. And now I will trace it with my brush pen. Now I will erase the pencil marks. Now for this one, first a downstroke and little flourishing here, and again we will add flourishing at the top, and it's done. Now moving to the last one, I'm doing this one in one go and it's very easy. So guys, we are done with letter T also. Now only 6 more letters are left. So for that, stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you.